Too many people focus on trapping.
Right hand has no desire to hit. Left hand, no desire. Right hand, no desire. Right hand, no desire. Finally, the left hand after 1, 2, 3, 4 patty cakes.
When you focus on trapping in order to get to your goal, you're focusing on chasing hands. And it's a really, really bad mistake that lots of people that practice Wing Chun or Jeet Kune Do get into, and it's wrong. Too many people focus on trapping, and trapping should never be a focus in Wing Chun. That's not what we're looking to do. We're looking to intercept through the line that someone's attacking us into their center. For instance, when you focus on trapping in order to get here, you're literally chasing the hand before getting there. If you focus in on going here and sliding into your goal, even if they stop you, you are intercepting. You're doing the same main effort of deflecting them before getting to them. But it's honest. Every move needs to be honest. And when I say honest, I mean it needs to be going to this goal. Every single move is honestly trying to hit them. Honestly trying to get your hand or your elbow into their center. It is not a setup. There are no setups in good Wing Chun. That's not how it works. You are in the moment. You're operating in the present. You're not thinking, I'm going to do this in order to set this up to do that. That's too forcing. That's not in the moment. That's not operating in the present. Operating in the present means you're actually going into your goal. If this happens to be a POC on the way, fine. But it is not here in order to get here. So, and I see a lot of people, even Sifus and gurus teaching these type of things where it's pop, 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 boom. That is never going to work. And that's the reason trapping doesn't work. Trapping works as an interception. So I really don't like the word trapping. I'm not a fan of that. I'm much more a fan of intercepting, or using your intercepting, attacking hand in order to take them away, wedge them away, deflect them away. That is what we really want. So stay straight to your goal and make everything you do an honest attack towards their center.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it up, put it in the pan. Patty cake, baker's man. Great work. Now you could do that with a friend again, or you can pat it on your knees. That was patty cake.